Good morning, dear student. Today I will discuss you class 10 science biology first chapter life process. Today I will discuss you transportation of water. Transportation of water in plant, water and minerals are absorbed mainly from the soil and then transported upward through a specific tissue system is called xylem. Thus, the xylem and phloem are important conducting tissue in plant. The xylem is a complex tissue. It is made up of four kinds of cell. That means you have studied in previous classes. Tracheids, vessel, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. The water and minerals are transported mainly through tracheids and vessels. The phloem is also complex tissue. It is made up of sieve tube, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fiber. There are two kinds of transportation in plant. First is transportation of water and minerals. Second is transportation of food and other substance. First of all, we discussed in first transportation of water in xylem tissue, vessel and tracheids of the root, stem and leaves are interconnected to form a continuous system of water conducting interconnected channel reaching all parts of plant. At the root cell in contact with the soil activity take up ions. This create a difference in a concentration of these ions between the root and the soil. Water therefore provide that the plant has an adequate supply of water. The water which is lost through the stomata is replaced by water from the xylem vessel in the leaf. In fact, evaporation of water molecules of cell of leaf create a suction which pulls water. That means suction pull pressure, and another is ascent of shafts. In fact, evaporation of molecules from the cell of leaf create a suction which pulls water from the xylem cells of root. The loss of water in the form of vapor from the aerial part of the plant is known as transpiration. Thus, the transpiration helps in the absorption of upward movement of water through the root and tip of the plant, and minerals dissolve in it from root to the leaves. It also helps temperature regulation. Therefore, of root pressure is transport of water is more important at night. During the day, when the stomata are open, the transpiration pool becomes the measure diversity. That means the faster in the movement of water in the xylem. Transportation of food and other substance. Transportation of food and other substance. That means The other food substance like transpiration, pull up, cohesion, tension theory explain the upward movement like synthesis of carbohydrates and other metabolite occurs in the leaves. Hormones require the growth and development are mainly synthesized at the root and the root tip. The phloem is complex permanent tissue running almost parallel with the xylem stand. It mainly consists of pseudo companion cell, phloem, parenchyma, and phloem fiber. The pseudo element are vertically elongated cell. The end wall of some time, that means side wall of pseudo element possesses the pseudo are living cell and active protoplasm, but they are characterized by the absence of nuclei. Now let us consider how the product of metabolic process, particularly photosynthesis, are moved from leaves where they are farmed to the part of the plant. This transport of soluble product of photosynthesis is called translocation and it occurs in the part of vascular tissue is called translocation and it occurs in the part of vascular parts known as phloem. That means transportation and translocation. Transportation process will be held on the water transporting plant through the root process from the tip, and when leaf synthesize the food, that food to a part of leaf to transport it to the lowest of root, and it occurs a part of vascular tissue is known as phloem. Besides the product of photosynthesis, the phloem transport amino acid and other substance. These substance are especially delivered to the strong organ of root, fruit and seed and its growing organ. The transportation of food and other substance takes place in the tube with the help of adjacent companion cell both in upward and downward direction. Thanks.